Alright, so those on the Zoom, can you guys hear me? Yes, you guys can already hear me
Yep.
We can hear you very well.
very clearly. Nice. Alright, so welcome everyone. Where's Elvis? Okay, I'm here. I don't know if you can see me on the screen. I'm down there. Like I'm using my iPad today too. So if you can't see me, you can see me over there. Let me just remove my jacket, or let me just keep it. I don't know. I'm even cold. Right, US 30. This was the move that I was expecting yesterday, but it happened today. So let's see what happens with it next.
Is it the CPI or something?
Yeah. The CPI news got released yesterday. So it just caused traffic in the market. I knew this was going to reject from this whole zone. But man, now I'm very skeptical in sending signals after yesterday. People were crucifying me here and there. All right, so what's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Today's session is just going to be 30 minutes. If you just joined the streams, kindly like the video. We are currently sitting 120 views. I know more people will be coming, but kindly like the video as you join. Let's take this to 100 likes. We just have 30 minutes, so let's just be fast with this. Right, so welcome to my live streams. Today is 28th January 2022. We are going to be trading Forex synthetic stocks today. No cryptocurrencies, but I'll be doing some Bitcoin analysis in 30, all in 30 minutes. And we do this every Mondays to Fridays, 1:30 GMT to 15:30 GMT. But then it's like I say always, if this is your first time of joining this, we use 1 hour for YouTube and we use 1 hour for Telegram. So you should also be active there. That's when I do send my signals. So it's actually a live educational, technical, and fundamental analysis. Also be sharing signals here, but we are just here to learn, right? And I do trade technical and fundamental analysis here. Like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube. You can share the link to people to join if you want, or if you feel like. You can ask questions, share ideas or suggestions on the comment section if you feel this trade is not going to go my way, or if you think directly opposite to another trade. Follow me on all my socials: Elvis Justice Official _ Twitter, Man of Serendipity. This is my recommended broker, Iglefes. That's the link to the synthetics. Those see me posting step index VIX trades. That is the link. And the most important part of this is I'm not a financial advisor. All content here, all content provided here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management. Trade sometimes could go south. Apply proper risk management. Trade or risk with monies that you can afford to lose, right? Monies that you can afford to lose. I hope everyone is good. We have 100 likes. Let's straight up go into the chat. I just got home, so if you've been testing me the whole day, especially those that paid courses yesterday and VIP, if you've not gotten the link, everything would resume from Monday, right? So everything will be active from Monday, so don't worry. Where are you guys from? I forgot to ask that. Where are you guys from? Where are we from? All right, so let's take our first trade. I was looking at GJ this morning. I was looking at GJ. GJ, did it hit stop loss? Did GJ hit stop loss? Those on the Zoom.
Yeah, it stop loss. Yeah.
It hit
Yeah,
stop
yeah.
loss. All right, so we are going to take another entry on GJ. Let me delete everything. We are going to take another entry on GJ. Right. Why am I taking sales again on GJ? GJ is still not done, right? GJ is still not done. The 1 hour time frame looks like, yeah, everyone seems to be looking for a breakout of this. Everyone seems to be looking for breakout of this, but then there's the actual trend. Trend is still, price is still respecting the trend line, right? So I still think we can see sales on GJ. So we are going to take sales again on GJ. All right, you are going to take sales again on GJ. Yesterday I said something. If you were with us yesterday, I said something about US 30. Who remembers what I said about US 30?
You
Well,
said
when
you don't
it's
want to take trade. You
Yes, I
don't.
said I
you
wasn't
don't
trading
feel
it.
like taking a trade, yeah.
I knew, I felt it in the morning because I didn't like the way the market was moving. The news too that came out was mixed. When I say mixed, that means a lot of news are coming out in the market and you don't know which one to go for. So I wasn't really confident with that with yesterday. Even today I'm not confident with today because still the core index, the CPI news was what I was expecting to trade. Was that the news that I was anticipating for, but that news dropped the market down already, so I don't see any reason of me trading. Sometimes when
Stinks.
your instincts talk to you, we have to listen. I had the feeling that, I saw it in the morning. I'm like, I'm not touching US 30. I was actually going to trade Nasdaq, but we missed the move on Nasdaq. I'm like, let me trade. I'm not going to blame anyone. No blaming games here. I lost a lot too. I lost more than $4,000 yesterday. Not on an FTMO account, on a real account. And I lost $800 too. I think that's what I post. I didn't post the 4K. So no one gets a heart attack. So we are trying to get an opportunity on GJ. The whole opportunity on GJ stands somewhere here. The opportunity on GJ stands somewhere here. The whole opportunity on GJ stands somewhere here. Somewhere like 180 pips, right? But we are going to target half of it. 180 divided by 2, that's like 90.
90, sorry.
All right, so let's target 90 for today. We are still going to trade GJ. And we are going to risk very, very, very little. And I remember I told you guys about how to set stop losses. Stop losses, always use the risk reward ratio formula. If you're targeting 90 pips, that means you should risk 1:2, but we don't want to risk 1:2. Let's risk just like 30 pips. That will make it 1:3 risk reward ratio on GJ. So you can start selling GJ. I'm going to put my stop loss just 30 pips. Just 30 pips. My stop loss is going to be 30 pips. Okay, let me remove my jacket. Let me just remove my jacket. If you just joined, I was saying I just got home. I didn't even go anywhere. I just had to come sit on my laptop to trade with you guys. So not like I've made any analysis. All the analysis.
How was it? How was your theater?
What theater? Yes. I had a surgery today. I didn't really do it. I was just watching. Students, or sometimes they'll send us to go do go and bring this, go and bring that. So it was nice. It was a nice experience. I think that was a labor, obstetrics. That was a labor. So I didn't do anything. Like I said, I didn't really do anything. I was just that was I think it's an abnormal labor. So instead of the baby coming from the vagina, the baby came from the stomach. Caesarean. Yes, the baby came from the stomach instead. Let me just off my. Let me just turn off my. Yes, so that was it. 40 pips. But the whole they haven't, 30 pips. The whole they haven't really gotten home. But 30 pips. So revenge on GJ here. Today I'm going to trade gold. But it's going to be a swing setup. And our TP would be here. TP is going to be here. TP is going to be 1 153.864. Right, 153.864. That's like 90 pips. Right, 90 pips. But whenever you trade and you are losing, it feels like you are losing money, right? I think after one trade, just hop out. After one trade, just hop out. I think I took more than 3 L's yesterday. Because I was running on a bad psychology. I was running on a very, very, very bad psychology.
Anyway, Caleb was there to.
Yeah, Callum really entertained me yesterday. Callum really entertained me yesterday.
Increase the volume of the AC.
Yes, increase it because it's hot in here. It was hot yesterday. I was feeling hot. I didn't know whether I should cry or I should laugh. It was and this is not me. If it's my money, I understand. But people's funds too were involved. Not like people's funds, but I mean people were also blowing accounts, losing money. You now see someone saying that I used $300, $13 to trade US30 and I blew accounts on direct. Like all these funny brokers. People were just complaining, and I was like, yo,
that was funny.
When it happens. How we go do them? All right, so first trade, GJ, apply proper risk management. You can ask me of the lot size you want to use. Stop loss is 155.394, and our TP is going to be 153.864. That's going to be our first trade on GJ. Quickly, like I said, I'm not going to spend more than 30 minutes here. I'm not going to spend more than 30 minutes here. Right, so our first trade, GJ. Why are we selling? The trend is still a downtrend. Got here rejected. I presume my rejection here to this whole level. This is our original TP, but we are trying to use our rule, right? Our risk reward rule, right? Can I enter GJ now? Yes, you can. Elvis, please BTC. Yes, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin before I leave. What is the stop loss? It's on the screen. Yalbi has posted it. Yalbi have to pay Yalbi. This guy's been, typing the signals for the guys there. All right, so that's going to be our first trade. I don't also feel like trading US30 today. I don't feel like. I want to just reset, then start Monday, everything Monday. So today I'm just going to be very disciplined. All right, let's talk about gold. Gold sells. I'm looking for sales on gold, but at what entry? Gold is still bearish. And can come all the way down to this level, right?
I think 1790 would be a good entry for sales.
1790. Why?
It's a region, like it's an area where it stayed for some time. It's acting like a support. It's broken, and now it's being retested again and again.
Okay, on what time frame?
1 hour.
Okay, let's look at gold. Because gold has to go to 1760. It still has more room to go down, to push down. All right, so 1 hour time frame. I think the retest is done, right? This was the retest. Oh,
I took an entry from here.
What is your bias? Let's start with your bias.
I am looking like 1770 or 1753 because
I mean your bias, your entry. What was your entry?
1790 shorts.
short. You took it from 1790. You took it from here,
Yeah.
right? It
Yeah.
refused to break up, right? That's
Yeah.
why it took the sales. Exactly what that's what I'm also saying. So I'm looking for gold sales. Let's sell gold today. Where would we put our stop loss? Wow. Where would we put our stop loss on gold? Where would we put our stop loss? Where would we put our TP? Because this has broken below, that means you are looking for more sales. This whole support has been broken, right? That means more sales. So let's sell gold. Let's sell gold. Don't worry, let's sell gold. The worst that can happen is gold can come here, then reject back. That's the worst thing that can happen. I hope it doesn't happen. So let's put our stop loss 1795. Let's put it there. Because the worst retest that can come would be 1792, 17, right? That's the worst retest that can come. So sell gold to where did you put your stop loss? What was your stop loss?
Well, my stop loss is a bit higher. I took it on 1797.
Okay, so your stop loss is somewhere above this whole zone,
Yeah.
That would be my stop loss, but then,
I think 1800 is even better safe, actually.
it would be like a big stop loss, like 100 pip stop loss. It's not worth it.
Yeah, because I made it because gold behavior, it always
Yes, this
make
gold has
wicks.
been behaving so
It
abysmal.
can create a wick. Yeah, it can
So
create a wick
abysmal.
uptrend.
All right, so sell gold now at this price. Gold it hasn't been it doesn't stand at one place. That's what you mean. It moves a lot. It goes here, it comes back.
Yeah, it creates a lot of wicks.
When you leave it, it's now behaves. All right, so sell gold now. Sell gold now. Sell gold now. And if you're a trader without confidence, if you're a trader, you see opportunities and it's like you can't take the opportunities, and I don't know, what's the difference between you and I? You may probably even be good than me, you may probably be working hard more than me, Elvis, but you just left with confidence. I tell people, it's high time you stop moving from one person to another person. You can go to whomever, trade with whomever, buy what have you courses, but if you lack confidence to take a trade, to open a position, it's like you are risk conscious. Alright, let's put our stop loss at 1796 instead. Risk management, guys. Risk management. Gold is pushing up. Risk management. So stop loss 17, because I see a big push down. Stop loss for gold should be somewhere here. 1796. And our TP. Our TP will be 77. All right, let's do the calculations quickly. 30 minutes. I said 30 minutes. How many minutes have we done so far? All right. So 370 minus divided by 2. 370 divided by 2. That's like 180. So
Yeah.
We've done 35 minutes.
so yeah, 7072. So that's our TP will be at 7072. So our TP will be at 772. Our TP, apply proper risk management, guys. Please and please, I'm pleading with you. If you put the stop loss and you feel like, yo, if this trade hits my stop loss, I'm going to cry, don't take this trade. All right. All right, nice. Gold is acting scary these days, always. Yes, but I missed this whole 200 pips. But let's see. GJ2 acting funny these days too. But let's see. All right, and let's take the last trade before I leave you guys. Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. I'm taking sales here now. Why am I taking sales? We are still in a big downtrend, right? We are looking for selling opportunities, right? So selling opportunities, you can see price is failing to break above, like price broke above here. This would be a box, right? But the box failed and price is currently coming back to the zone. We are still bearish on all these Bitcoin, all stock space. I mean, I still very bearish. So EU sells too. Let's take it. Or we should just leave it. We missed the move, but I still feel it's going to go down. Or we should just leave it.
Don't force any trade. I think we should just leave it.
We should leave this. Who else? What's your opinion on this?
I think we should leave it since the opportunity has already been taken.
All right, so let's leave it then. So just 2 trades. Let me know just 4 pairs or 3 pairs you guys want me to analyze. Then I'll leave you guys. Today I'm not trading today on Telegram, so don't expect signal from me. Last time I said same thing and I did the opposite of what I said and I lost. Right, and I lost money. So
Check synthetics then.
synthetic. You want to trade synthetics?
Just check if there's any pair that will give us money there.
Any pair that will give us money. All right, let's see. Just give me a pair. Just give me a pair.
Check your step
And let me give you also some what I think on US30 today.
Yeah, you can share your idea on US30.
Yes, let me share my idea on US30 today. Okay, US30. I think the sellers are done. The sellers, they have to be done. You know, today is not their day. The sellers has to be done. US30 should push up to maybe somewhere here. US30 should push up to somewhere there. The sellers are already done. There's a big support here. Today we are trading with technical, so you should know what you're looking for. There's a big support here, right? So sellers are done. Price is pushing up. So we can even buy US30 now if you want. Buy US30. Buy US. Let's buy it. I feel it has to go up. But our TP for US30 would be buy US30. Don't worry, buy it. Buy US30. Buy US30. Buy US30. Buy US30. Gold sells too. Keep it. Keep that intact. Alright. Nice. Even pushing up already. So where would you put our stop loss? Where would you put our TP there? Let's put our TP somewhere here. 34. Let's say 34,200. let's do it on a smaller time frame so it makes sense. Let's hit it for 200. Yeah, let's just target 100 pips, okay? $34,200. And SL, where should we put our SL? Let's say 33,980. 33,980. Something like this. Where's 33,980? Somewhere here. Let me look for that price. I like the background song. Who took this trade? That was our entry, so our stop loss would be here. Let's see how it goes. But the actual TP is 34,400, right? The actual TP is 34,400. So maybe New York says you guys can scalp sell, scalp buy, but then
you can buy.
Yes, you can scalp buy or something. Swing buy, I mean, but as usual, if we are targeting 400 pips, right? That means we divide it into 2, right? So that's why I'm saying the TP is what? The TP is what? Hey, everyone is looking at his chart too. The TP is what?
It must be divided by 2.
It's 34,200. That is
Yeah.
it. Right. So that will be that. Three trades for today. We always agree on 3 trades. So 3 trades for today. Good luck with them. I hope they go well. Gold sells, US30 buys, GJ sells. Let's see how it goes. God bless everyone for joining. See you.
Thank you so much, Captain.
Thank you, bro.
Thanks, we appreciate it.
Thanks to you.
Should I post the trades on the group?
If you feel like, then you can post.
If I feel like.
Yeah, otherwise.
What if I don't feel like?
Then don't post it.
Please feel like.
All right. So let me just post the trades in the group. See you.
See you.